If you don't like being stuck in the real world, but your Meta Quest 3 controllers won't turn on, then try these steps. Step 1. Check those batteries. Make sure they're fresh, correctly inserted, or fully charged if they're rechargeable. Step 2. Reboot the headset. Press and hold the power button for 30 seconds to reset any software glitches. Step 3. Repair your controllers. On the MetaQuest app, go to Settings, Devices, Controllers, and unpair and repair them. If you've got the Pro version, you can do a factory reset. Head to Settings, Devices, Controllers, Factory Reset. Next, check for updates. Make sure your app and headset firmware are up to date. Still no luck? Try a soft reset by holding the Menu button, left controller, and Meta button, right controller, for 2 seconds. Check for any obstructions between the headset and controllers. Accessories might be interfering. If all else fails, contact Meta support or consider a factory reset of the headset as a last resort. And there you go.